Hey everyone, welcome back to another LeetCode problem solving video. Today we are tackling the very popular string processing question. LeetCode 2114, maximum numbers of words found in sentences. The problem gives us an array of strings called sentences. Here each sentence represents a single line of text with words separated by single spaces. Our task is to find the single sentence that contains the maximum number of words and return the highest word count. This is fantastic problem for practicing string passing and character checking. Let's first talk about our strategy and approach to solving this, and then we will jump straight into the code. Okay. So before looking at the code, let's understand the simple math trick behind counting words in a sentence. If a sentence is well formatted and its words are separated by a single space, we can count the words just by counting the spaces. Think about it. A sentence like "I love coding" has exactly two spaces. If we take the number of spaces and add one, we get three, which is the exact number of words. Our approach will look like this. We will look through each sentence in our list one by one. For each sentence, we will count how many blank space characters it contains. Once we finish scanning the sentence, we check if its space count is higher than the maximum space count we have seen so far. If it is, we update our maximum tracking variable. After checking all sentences, we simply take our maximum space count, add 1 to it to convert space to words and return it. Now that strategy is clear. Let's see how this translates into C++ code block by block. Okay, to kick things off, we define our function which takes a vector of strings called sentences. Inside, we initialize two integer trackers, len to count the spaces in the current sentence and max to hold the highest space count found so far. We also declare a temporary string helper variable called str initialized to an empty string. So let's do it. Checking len equals to 0 and not 0 and string str equals to empty. Okay. Next we set up our outer for loop using index I. This loop will allow us to iterate through every single string element inside our sentences vector from start to finish. So let's do that. For int I equals to 0, I less than sentences for length dot cells in that plus plus. Okay. Then at the start of each iteration, we assign the current sentence of I to our temporary string variable str. Right after we kick off a nested inner for loop using index j to inspect every individual character inside this specific sentence. So str plus str plus equals to sentences of I. And then after we will start a str or in j equals to 0, j less than sentence str dot length and j plus plus. Okay, so now inside this inner loop we perform our space character check. We ask, is the current character str of j exactly equal to a blank space? If it is, evaluate to true. We increment our space counter len by 1. Once this inner loop finishes scanning the entire string, it will have successfully counted all spaces in that sentence. So if str of j equals empty. Okay, just here simple code. Then plus plus. After the inner loop finishes, we clear up our temporary string str by resetting it back to an empty string. So it's best for the next round. Then we compare our current space count line against our global max. If length is greater than or equal to max, we update max with this new record value. Right after that, we reset length back to 0 before the outer loop moves with the next sentence. So the loop finishes, str equals to empty. Then after, if length greater than equals to max, then max equals to length. Okay. And then after if block, then equals to 0. Once the outer loop completely finishes checking every sentence in the array, our max variable will hold the maximum number of spaces found in any single sentence. Remembering our core logic that the total word count is equal to the number of plus spaces plus 1, we simply return max plus 1. So here is this return max, so return max plus 1. Okay, now let's run and check whether it is passing the base test cases or not. Okay, so it's perfectly working for the test questions. Now let's quickly try run it. So let's suppose our input sentences equals to I love coding and then hello comma hello. Both are string, different string. I love coding is a single string and hello is a single string. Now iteration 1 I equals to 0. We do the sentence of 0 which is I love coding. We set str equals to I love coding. The inner loop scans the string character by character. It encounters a space after I. Length becomes 1. It encounters another space after love. Length becomes 2. The inner loop finishes str is reset to empty. We check is length which is 2 greater than equals to max which is 0. Yes. So max becomes 2. Length is reset to 0. Iteration 2 I equals to 1. The outer loop moves to I equals to 1. Sentence of 1 is hello. We set str equals to hello. The inner loop scans hello. It finds 0 spaces. So length stays 0. The inner loop finishes str is reset to empty. Again, we check is length which is 0 greater than equals to max which is already 2. No, it's not max. No, it's not. So max stays 2. Length is now reset to 0 again. The outer loop runs out of sentences. The function finally executes return max plus 1, which is 2 plus 1 equals to 3, and that matches our longest word count perfectly. Okay, so this is our driver. Now let's submit and check whether it is passing or test cases or not. Okay, so perfectly it is working. Now let us discuss about the complexity. So the time complexity. Let's first discuss about time complexity. Now let n be the number of sentences and L be the maximum length of sentence. Our outer loop runs n times, and for each sentence our loop scans every character taking O of L time. This gives us a total linear time complexity of O of n cross L, meaning we process the total number of characters in the input exactly once. Space complexity inside our loop, we copy its sentence into a temporary string variable str. In the worst case scenario, this variable holds the length of the longest sentence L. Therefore, our auxiliary space complexity is O of L to account for the dynamic string allocation. So here the complexity are O of n cross L, which is time complexity, and space complexity to be O of L. And that is how you solve maximum number of words found in sentences using the clean character scanning approach. Understanding the math relationship between separators and items makes string parsing problem so intuitive. Now, if this block by block breakdown and visualize help the logic click for you, make sure to slam that like button, subscribe to the channel for more clean LeetCode walkthroughs, and let me know in the comment for any kind of doubt if you have this problem. Keep grinding those problems, and I will see you in the next video.